Welcome to the Mobile Immunization Station Instructions for Use. In this video, you'll see how to set up and pack up the mist. First, release the locks to remove the attachable desk panel from the main body of the station. Take the panel off, being sure to remove it from the hooks at the bottom. Open the fold-out legs on the inside of the panel and pull out the folding chair. Secure the attachable desk panel to the handle on the side of the main body. Pull up the handle and hook the panel to the main body of the station. Lift up the attachable desk panel until one edge sits in the lip of the main body of the station. Pull out the folded legs from the inside of the panel. The mist is set up and ready to be used. Included chair and drawers allow users to easily access stored immunizations and medical products. The kit features the Credo ProMed Series 4 container, immunization needles, sharps containers, and more. To stow the mist for transport or shipping, fold the legs of the attachable desk panel up and unhook the panel from the main body of the station. Add folding chair to the inside of the attachable desk panel. Use the small hooks at the bottom of the panel to connect it to the main body of the station. Lock all the clips to secure the attachable desk panel. The mist is now packed and ready for storage. To find the mist and other premium products with a mission, visit narrescue.com. Follow us on social media or sign up for emails to join the mission.